Hi, my name is Diana Alexander, and I'm a member of the County Administrative Office for the County of San Bernardino, here with another opportunity to share with you from SB County COVID-19 News. We have with us again today our own chairman of the Board of Supervisors, Kurt Hagman. He's also supervisor of the 4th District for our county. Chairman Hagman, we're happy to have you with us today, even though this is not so happy a time. We're in the middle of this COVID-19 crisis, and you've been at the head of our county when it comes to all the tasks and efforts that we're doing. But before we get into any of that, would you mind talking with us about where we stand as far as the number of positive cases and the number of deaths in our county?
Yeah, well, thank you, Diana, and good morning, everyone. We're at 887 positive tests right now, and definitely, unfortunately, up to 31 deaths in the county of our fellow residents. So each day, those numbers keep getting higher.
Yeah, which is a really sad state of affairs. I know that we all join all of our county residents in empathizing, sympathizing, and our hearts are broken when it comes to those number of deaths. What are we still saying to our county members about how we're going to work together to flatten the curve?
Well, this is so important that what you see us have on today is our mask, our washing hands, and keeping our physical distance like we are. This is very important to stop the spread of the virus going out. And just on the personal note, on this weekend when we all went out shopping for the Easter meals and such, I saw a lot more people having masks, but it is required for people to have masks when you go outdoors now. And to wear them properly, that means over your nose and over your mouth. It's very important to do this. And we get this habit down, we can start adding some other things back, which we'll talk on later on the week. But it's very important we do it correctly and wash our hands and all these social habits of speaking to each other from a physical distance at least 6 feet away.
Thank you for that. Now, in addition to those type of measures that we've pushed out to our county residents, there are a lot of other things that our county is doing to combat COVID-19. One of those is that we have a Joint Information Center, which we refer to as a JIC. Can you tell us what are some of the tasks or functions of the JIC?
Yes, they're doing a fantastic job. They take over thousands of calls each week. A lot of where our new testing sites are, what the new requirements are this week. A lot of information about people telling about businesses that are not shut down, that we're sending letters out to let them know which ones need to be closed down. And really coordinating through multiple different departments of the county, it's public health or CAO's office or other parts of the county to make sure we have information there and to refer our residents to the proper resources as they get those calls coming in. So they're doing a great job.
Good. That's a really good resource for all of our residents to know about, that they can call us and ask questions that
I should say the phone number is 909-387-3911. That's 909-387-3911.
Yes, thank you. Thank you for emphasizing that phone number. Now, in addition to the JIC, I know there are other agencies in our county that we work with, and ICEMA, I-C-E-M-A, is one of those agencies. Could you tell us how we're partnering with ICEMA?
Yeah, ICEMA does a lot of the backbone to keeping our PPE orders for all the health providers that are needed of masks or gowns. We try to get resources and make sure they go to the right places. They keep the track of like the daily bed counts, where there's openings, where there are not, help to balance out the hospitals and the facilities of who goes where, as well as personnel now. They got to track personnel about how they're also be pushed out to different facilities based on the current everyday numbers that we get in through there. So they do a very important role of coordinating or orchestrating the healthcare system from that supply and personnel level.
Which is amazing. And ICEMA, for those who may not know it, stands for Inland County Emergency Management Agency. So thank you so much for sharing this information with us. Are there any closing words you'd like to share with our residents?
No, I just say please heed the orders from our public health department. Please wear your mask. Please wash your hands and stay your physical distance. It really will make a difference in the San Bernardino County recovery. We have people who are focused on trying to get us back to normal here in the future, but we have to do our part as good residents, as good citizens of the county. And please keep watching our information on our websites, and there's lots of different links, lots of different resources. And we're here working together for your local cities and other government agencies in the county to try to provide those resources that are out there.
Thank you so much, Chairman Hagman, for everything that you've shared with us today and what you will continue to share in ongoing videos. Thank you for being with us. This is SB County COVID-19 News, and we just ask you to take care and please stay safe.